This is Guru Focus First Look, your morning market brief for Thursday, August 27th. Here are the stories driving markets today. Nvidia shares surged 7% in pre-market trading after the company reported blockbuster second quarter earnings, reinforcing investor confidence in artificial intelligence-driven growth. The strong results also lifted Nasdaq futures, as sentiment across the semiconductor sector improved sharply overnight. In a related move, Nvidia announced it will acquire AI startup Hugging Face in a deal valued at $12.9 billion, further expanding its reach in the artificial intelligence ecosystem. Turning now to Meta Platforms, the company agreed to pay up to $18 billion to settle federal and state lawsuits alleging Facebook and Instagram harm children, marking one of the largest tech settlements to date. Meta shares rose on the news as the company also committed to platform changes to address child safety concerns. On the economic front, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index held at 3.7% in July, remaining well above the Federal Reserve's 2% target. The data showed consumers are pulling back on spending amid persistent price pressures, highlighting ongoing inflationary challenges. Another story we're watching is a global cybersecurity incident at Boston Scientific, which caused operational disruptions worldwide and led to a decline in the company's share price. The company is working to resolve the issue and restore normal operations. Meanwhile, an independent investigation found that unexpected interactions between OpenAI bots led to a security breach at Hugging Face, raising concerns about the safety of autonomous artificial intelligence agents. Best Buy exceeded second quarter earnings expectations and raised its full-year outlook, citing strong demand in computing and technology categories. The retailer's performance comes as consumers continue to prioritize spending on tech products. Staying with the markets, bond market volatility persists amid sticky inflation, ongoing geopolitical tensions, and concerns over U.S. fiscal policy and debt levels. These factors have contributed to uncertainty in both bond and currency markets ahead of the Jackson Hole summit. Elsewhere, the Food and Drug Administration approved daraxonrasib, a new drug shown to improve survival rates for pancreatic cancer patients. The approval marks a significant advance in cancer treatment. In corporate news, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang defended the company's increasing financial support for AI startups and infrastructure, emphasizing confidence in the sector's growth potential. Huang's meetings with global tech leaders have also drawn attention for their perceived impact on partner companies' stock performance. On Federal Reserve developments, Governor Lisa Cook's lawyer rejected President Donald Trump's renewed efforts to remove her over unproven mortgage fraud allegations, citing a lack of legal basis. Additionally, tensions between Fed officials Kevin Warsh and Scott Bessent are contributing to uncertainty in financial markets. Also making news today, Bill Gates called for significant restrictions on artificial intelligence development, warning of potential risks to American jobs and the broader economy. SpaceX announced plans to develop a $100 billion Starship launch and manufacturing facility in Louisiana, marking a major expansion of its commercial space operations. Finally, Bernstein revised its price target for MicroStrategy downward by $100 and pushed its Bitcoin forecast of $150,000 out to 2027, citing a revised cycle outlook and equity dilution. That wraps up today's market update. We'll be back soon with the latest market news. Thanks for listening to the Guru Focus Brief.